All right, so we're going to show how to convert a CSV with latitude and longitude into a point file. So if we look at the table of the CSV, you can see our data here, and we can see latitude and longitude here. You want to check to see if it looks like 2 digits dot many digits, and we'll talk about what that means. I know just by looking at this that this is in the in the United States. So what we can do is go to catalog where I have that CSV. I can right click on it, create feature class from XY table. It already pulled it in, because I right clicked on it, and it knows that out of this list of number attribute fields in the list of in the CSV, it knows to look for the word latitude and longitude, so it automatically put those there, but sometimes it will ask you to fill that out if it couldn't tell right away. It always goes longitude as the X field, latitude as the Y field, which always seems backwards in my mind, but I don't know. And then if you set the coordinate system, you're always going to pick this WGS 1984, and you're just always going to do that, so I'll tell you why at some point. This is in my favorites right now, but if it wasn't showing up there, you can either search for it, WGS 1984. I just hit enter, and then if I go to geographic world, it is the only one that's visible there. And then if I wasn't searching for it, and I went into geographic, and then I went down to world, and then I expanded world, and I looked for WGS 1984. There it is. And if you want to get it in your favorites, you can click on this little star. And if you do this a lot, you probably want it there. Depends on the project that you guys do. You might want to do this, but always know there's a video out there waiting for you to use to do it again. And that's it. And then if you hit OK, whoops, I didn't look at where it was going to go. It's going to go right on my desktop. So the last thing to do, coordinate system 1984, and then the last thing would be to pick a place to put it that you'll know where it went. So that happens a lot, where it happens so often to new GIS people that you go and you set this whole thing up and you hit run and you forgot to look at where you sent it, and then you're like, I have no idea where that went. So anyway, that's what I forgot to do. Projects, Fulcrum. And then it's just going to be named this, but I could name it something else if I wanted to. And then what I made at that time, it put it here. And you can see whoops, did I do that wrong? Oh wow, good. These are good mistakes. So I put the latitude and longitude in backwards.
You put them both in as latitude.
Did I really?
I'm pretty sure.
Last time I was going pretty quick. Huh? Oh, look at that. All right, longitude, then latitude. Thank you. Great. Well, that's actually a good lesson, right? That's kind of a common thing. But when I went to this one, I could tell because it was a little bit warped. That was different than the first one. But anyway, that's how you would get those. And then really the answer was just if you download Shapefile, you'd be all set.